from what I'm understanding, I think that the Ékpè society came into this area, Arochukwu, Ohafia, Abiriba, from Calabar side.
Yes. Unquestionably.
Okay.
Yeah, in fact, as we have said, Ékpè came from Calabar side to both Ékpè to Arochukwu, to Ohafia, to Abiriba, and to, in fact, it is most dominant. The area that is very, we have mentioned where that is really in practice, not Ohafia, Abiriba, Abam. This is the area. Places like Item and those who are going to Wire, they don't know what is Ékpè. It's just only very few people may celebrate it. And people, we have a lot of culturalization by trade. We have been living together, doing a lot of things together. We speak, in fact, only our generation, our age. My parents were speaking, they spoke Efik, just as any other Efik, normally in their discussion. Because our trade, our this thing, were all
Calabar.
Because our trade was always with Calabar. And in fact, there's a river here, Udumaeze, a river called Udumaeze, which empties into Igu, and from Igu you go into the Itu River.
Yeah.
That's how our people were going to Calabar. In fact, the way you came, the river you passed, whether it was it Ikun or Biakpan, I don't know which way you couldn't. You know, that's part of that Crow River, the Crow River.
Yes.
From this thing here, from here, this heartland of Ohafia, there's some tributaries, Udumaeze of that river. From where you got, our people used to go through that way to sell yams and do things and buy things and go from that place. So we have quite a lot in common with the Calabar people.
Then, from what I understand is that the language used to express Ékpè songs could be in Efik language.
Purely Efik, yes. Even when we are when it is being celebrated in Ohafia, they are just, there's no Ékpè, they do never speak sing in the Ohafia language, just Efik. There are few things like that. That's Ékpè, Obon, Akpan, all these are, and you see, all these are the cultural dances that we learned or acquired from Abia State. So their name remain in Calabar.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
We're grateful.
Yes.